Now comes to question number 4. Miss Srishti invested rupees 15 lakh 50,500 in her business last year. Means this person has invested 15 lakh 50,500 in the business last year. The total sale was rupees 8 lakh 78,450. Now in the business, when the selling was done, the value earned was rupees 8 lakh 78,450. So our question is, what is the difference between her sales and investment? Means whatever the selling and the investment value is there, we have to find the difference. So here our main word is difference. Our hint word is difference. By difference, we will be getting the concept that we are able to get the final answer by subtracting. Difference means subtraction process will be following to get the conclusion. So let us start with our solution. First statement, money invested is equal to rupees 15 lakh 50,500. Try to write shorter, smaller sentences. Then total sale was of rupees, that is 8 lakh 78,450. Already we have learned the word, that is difference. So by the word difference, it is clear. We will be getting the conclusion as subtraction. Headings we have defined. Already we are aware of the process. Bigger number as per the place value we have arranged, minus smaller number as per the place value we have arranged. Let us start from lower place value or smaller place value. So once is the column, 0 minus 0 it will be 0. Let us come to the tens column. From 0 we have to subtract 5. From 0 we have to subtract 5. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. 0 will be going to the next 100 column and asking 5 to land 1. When 5 land 1, 0 becomes as 1010. 5 becomes as 4. Cut and write 4. From 10, try to subtract 5. So we get 5 as the answer. Now here left over was 4. From 4, subtract 4. We get 0. So define 0. Let us come to 1000 column. In 1000 column we have to subtract 8 from 0. Again from 0 we can't subtract 8. So 0 will be going to 10,000 column and asking 5 to land 1. When 5 land 1 to 0, it becomes 1010 and 5 becomes as 4. So write 4 here. From 10 subtract 8. So from 10 when we subtract 8 it will be 2. So define difference as 2. Here now the leftover number was 4. From 4 we can't subtract 7. So again 4 will be going to lag column and asking 5 to land 1. When 5 land 1 to this 4, it becomes 1 4 14 and this 5 becomes as 4. So define 4 here. From 14 subtract 7. We get 7. Now come to lag column. From 4 we have to subtract 8. Not possible. So again 4 will be going to the 10 lakh column and asking 1 to land 1. When this 1 land 1 to 4 it becomes 14. And here nothing will be left, so we'll be cutting and writing as 0. From 14 try to subtract 8. So we get number as 6. And here copy 0. You write 0, you don't write 0 means same. So this way we will be having a final conclusion. We will be getting the final answer. The difference between her sale and investment is rupees. So we will be getting the final answer as 6 lakh 72,050. This is our final required value. Now let us see number 5. Now some says Rahul's father saved rupees 12 lakh 85,925 in last 15 years. Means from last 15 years, Rahul's father was saving the money and he is having 12 lakh 85,925 rupees. How much more should he save to make it as 15 lakh value? Now, if Rahul fathers want to make the saved value which was 12 lakh 85,925, and from this value he want a change, and instead of 12 lakh 85,925 he want to make the value as 15 lakh. So how much more he have to save, that we have to calculate. So here our hint word is much more. Whenever much more is there, we will be getting the answer. This is the hint word. We will be getting the answer by subtracting smaller value from bigger value. So let us see the solution. First statement, money Rao's father saved is equal to rupees, that is 12 lakh 85,925. Now the total money which Rao's father want to make is rupees 15 lakh. So already just now we have discussed, we will be having the calculation of answer by getting the difference. So much more means difference. So here we have defined it. You can check it. Difference means much more only, or much more means difference. So according to heading, according to the bigger number place value, we have defined all the digits, and the smaller number also we have arranged as per the place value. So this way difference means much more, or much more means difference. Headings we have defined. Bigger number as per the place value we have defined with minus sign. Smaller values as per the place values are defined. Let us start the difference from the first column. So before starting the calculation, first we'll be checking that from 0 5 is possible to subtract or not. So from 0 we can't subtract 5. So 0 will be going to the next column for borrowing. But again here we are seeing that in tens column 0 is there, 100 column 0 is there, 1000 column 0 is there, 10,000 column also 0 is there. So lending will not be possible. So first we will be going to borrow from the 10 lakh column. So 10 lakh column is having a number 5. First 5 will be lending to the 10,000 column digit, that is 0. So here when 1 is lended, 0 becomes 10. See, 1 0 10 is here, and 5 will be left over as 4. So write 4 here. Now this 10 will be lending 1 to the near 0. So this becomes as 1 0 10, and when 10 gives 1 to the next column, it becomes 9. So cut and write it 9 here. Again this 10 will be lending 1 to this 0. So this 0 becomes 1 0 10, and from this 10 when 1 is subtracted, it will be left over as 9. So write 9 here. Again this 10 will be lending 1 to the earlier column, that is having the digit as 0. So now this 0 becomes 1 0 10, and here this 10 will be left over with a 9. When 1 is subtracted, it will be left over as 9. So write 9 here. Now this 10 column number 1 0 10 will be lending 1 to 0. So this becomes as 10, and here leftover will be 9. So this way you first try to borrow and then define the actual values which will be there. So let us start 10 minus 5. It will be 5. Come to tens column, 9 minus 2. It will be 7. Next come to 100 column, 9 minus 9. It will be 0. So define 0. Come to 1000 column, 9 minus 5 possible, so it will be 4. So write 4. Next 10,000 column, from 9 when we subtract 8, it will be 1. Then from lakh column, 4 is there, from 4 we have to subtract 2, so it will be 2. And lastly 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So this way we have calculated our difference, and this answer when having the value will become as. he required rupees 2 lakh 14,075 more to make rupees 15 lakh. Means this way he will be requiring this much more value to make the total value as 15 lakh.